Model, 70-plate Nissan Nv400 Acenta 2.3 Dci starts runs needs clutch repair VAT-inclusive bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 117244. MOT, the 23rd of November 2025. Engine, 2298 cc 2.3 Dci 135. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Clutch pedal is spongy and there is no drive. Clutch needs replaced. Straightforward easy job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after.